Going to see my goat homies. Two goats. See, there they come running. Hello. My goaties. Oh. Hey, Bambi. This is Bambi. This is little Samantha. She's prego. Bambi, not so much. These guys are not that friendly. They don't really like me. Did you see that? I'm gonna go care for it. It lets me. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, for record, that was not my fault. For the record, they're being a little bit pushy. You guys should be sorry. Just push your little fellow goat homie off the ground. Bambi, let me just say, you are goat-tastic. Samantha, you are running out of puns. I don't know. Goat interested? I don't know. I don't know. Need to do my research. You guys are scared goat. But yeah. Okay, let's go visit the chickens. We're going on a trip in our favorite walking shoes over to the chicken coops. Climb aboard, get ready to explore and collect some eggs, maybe. Okay. Alrighty then. Some chickens you can kind of see. Yeah, so, yeah. Okay. Hello, chickens. Hello, chickens. My favorite chicken died. Well, she got eaten by a pig, but you know, it's okay, because that's just farm life for you. Get this gate open. All crowded around here. Okay. Alrighty then. Hello. Goodbye. They all follow me like I'm their best friend. How nice. Hey, should I try to catch one of these babies? I think I'm gonna try to. Okay, that one looks a little freaky. That one looks like it could gouge my eyes out. How about you, sir? Oh, okay. Be right back. I'm gonna catch a chicken. Okay, here you go. Oh, sup? Okay, this is my little friend. Don't know its name. Friend Ludo. Yeah. See, they all follow me. And this is their lead chicken, I'd say.